Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Canadian tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, you can call it a comparison, you can call it a battle, but I'm putting the Moto G7, the Umidigi F1, and the new Moto G3 Plus against each other in an ultimate speaker battle. If you're new to the channel, all I do is play non-copyrighted music. We pick a winner, which one sounded the best to you, which one was the loudest overall. We definitely get a discussion going in the comments. That's the only way these videos work out. We can pick a true winner between all three of these phones. So leave a comment, pick a winner, which one sounded the best to you, which one was the loudest. If you don't like any of them, let me know that too. We definitely want to know your opinions. Get a discussion going in the comments. Alright, so let's get this video going really quick. I'm going to start with the Moto G7. I want to show you on the settings really quick too. If you go into sound, you will see Dolby Audio is on the smart audio. That's the one they said is the best choice. All I'm going to do is play some SoundCloud non-copyrighted music. Alright, so that was the Moto G7. What do y'all think about that one? Let me know in the comments. Next, I will have the Umidigi F1. Same thing here. I want to show you that the volume booster for the speaker is turned on. So that way we get the best sound. We'll go into SoundCloud. I'm going to play the same song. So that was the Umidigi F1. Next will be the new Moto G3 Plus. Gotta add the plus in there. Alright, so that was the new Moto G3 Plus. What do y'all think about that? Next, I have the Moto G7 again. Different song. So that was the Moto G7. What do y'all think about that one? That one sounded pretty good. The Umidigi F1. Same song. Okay, so that was the Umidigi F1. What do y'all think about that one? Okay, so the next is going to be the new Mobile G3 Plus. Same song. Alright, so that was the new Mobile G3 Plus. What do y'all think about that one? Let me know. Next will be the Moto G7. Different song. Last song though. Okay, so that was the Moto G7. What do y'all think about that one overall? Next, I have the Umidigi F1. Same song. Alright, so that was the Umidigi F1. What do y'all think about that one? Let me know. Next, I have the new Mobile G3 Plus. Same song. Alright, so that was the new Mobile G3 Plus. What y'all thought about that one? Y'all let me know. Now I'm going to do a little bit extra. I did this in my last comparison. I'm going to play a video from a YouTuber. That way we can see how we use this phone every day. A lot of us watch YouTube. I want to see how these speakers do with just a YouTube video. I want to shout out RP3 Tech Reviews. He actually has the Umidigi F1. If you haven't subscribed to his channel yet, go ahead and do it. I will have a link in the description. But we're going to watch this video here.
Real quick report. What's up, everybody? It's Rob. I'm back with another video. I'm here with the Umidigi F1, and I'm here to give you my kind of like my 1 week assessment of the phone, let you know how I'm feeling about it, what's going on with it, and just give you just a real quick report on what I think of the phone so far. First off, let's start with the build quality.
Alright, so that was the Moto G7. Next, I'm going to do the Umidigi F1. Same video.
I'm back with another video. I'm here with the Umidigi F1, and I'm here to give you my, kind of like my 1 week assessment of the phone, let you know how I'm feeling about it, what's going on with it, and just give you just a real quick report on what I think of the phone so far. First off, let's start with the build quality.
Alright, so that was the Umidigi F1. What y'all thought about that one? Same video, but this is on the new Moto G3 Plus.
What's up, everybody? It's Rob. I'm back with another video. I'm here with the Umidigi F1, and I'm here to give you my, kind of like my 1 week assessment of the phone, let you know how I'm feeling about it, what's going on with it, and just give you just a real quick report on what I think of the phone so far. First off, let's start with the build quality.
Alright, so that was the new Moto G3 Plus. What do y'all think about that one? How do y'all think that sound overall watching YouTube? Can you use any of these phones to watch YouTube, to play some music on? Again, I have the Moto G7, the Umidigi F1, and also the new Moto G3 Plus. Let's pick a winner. Which one you thought sounded the best? Which one was the loudest? Let me know in the comments. To me, it was very close between the Umidigi F1 and the Moto G7. I would have to give it a slight lead to the Moto G7, then the Umidigi F1, and then the new Moto G3 Plus. But I want to know your opinions. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell for more videos coming up on all three of these phones. More comparisons coming, especially with the cameras. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.